The Formax FD1502 Auto Seal Pressure Sealer. The Formax FD1502 Auto Seal is the ideal mid-volume solution for processing pressure-sensitive one-piece mailers. Pressure seal forms can be used wherever a document can be printed and folded on one sheet, eliminating the cost of envelopes and creating a sealed, mail-ready piece. The FD1502 processes up to 100 forms per minute, folds paper sizes up to 14 inches in length, and has clearly marked fold plates for quick and easy setup. User-friendly features include an LED indicator, 6-digit resettable counter, and a 3-tire drop-in feed system for dependable feeding of forms with no paper fanning required. The FD1502 is pre-marked for standard folds in 11-inch and 14-inch paper sizes and can also be easily set for custom folds including eccentric Z and C-fold mailers. To set up and operate the FD1502, begin by lifting the feed table and setting the adjusting side guides. Next, set the stop position for the top fold plate. First, lift and remove the top cover. Then, loosen the black knobs, and slide the fold stop to the appropriate setting on the fold plate. Retighten the knobs and replace the top cover. To set the bottom fold plate, remove the fold plate, repeat the identical process as the top fold plate, and replace. When setting a half fold, simply remove the lower fold plate and turn it around so that the metal stop is leading, and replace it as shown. Now, load the printed forms into the feeder and press the green button to start. The resettable counter keeps an accurate count of processed forms. Before you know it, the forms are folded, sealed, and ready for the mail in one streamlined process. The FD1502 Tabletop Pressure Sealer is rugged, efficient, and reliable, proudly built in the USA, and is an ideal solution for streamlining your mail processing.